The city glows with golden cheer, yet far from home I linger here. The air is cold, the nights are long, but thoughts of you keep my heart strong. I see the lights, they softly gleam, reminding me of every dream of home where laughter fills the air and love awaits me waiting there. The scent of pine, the songs of old, the tender tales our hearts once told, they echo deep within my chest, a longing I can't quite suppress. Though oceans wide between us lie, my love still crosses sea and sky. Each whispering breeze, each falling snow carries my heart where you all go. This Christmas night I'll close my eyes and see our home 'neath starlit skies. I'll hear your voices soft and clear, and feel as though you're somehow near. So light the candles, let them shine. Their glow will guide this heart of mine. And though I wander far and wide, my soul stays with you by your side. For Christmas isn't just a place, it's love's embrace, it's every face of those we cherish, near or far, our family, our guiding star. So till that day I journey home, no longer through the world to roam. Know this, my gift, my fervent prayer: my heart is yours this Christmas fair.